Could you give us a biology one-on-one on gene expression? What is it? Why do we need it? And every aspect that you are an expert on.
You have the same set of genes in almost every single cell. But your cells all look and do very different things, right? Your skin cells have different functions and properties than your hair cells, than your gut cells, than your tooth cells. You have all these different cell types that all have to do different jobs, but they have the same instruction book of DNA. So different genes can be turned on or off in different cells. They can also be turned on at high levels, at medium levels, at low levels. So it's this idea that your genes are expressed or have their volume turned up or down at different levels in different cells at different times. And the way that this happens is through RNA. So your DNA is all the instructions for everything your cells could ever possibly want or need to do, but it is locked away in the nucleus. The RNA is the molecule that makes a copy of those instructions and then actually goes out and does something in the cell. So, this idea of looking at how much each gene is turned on or off and at what level is gene expression. So, for me, gene expression is just so cool because DNA is great. DNA is very cool. But DNA just sits there in the nucleus. What actually does the work is the RNA, and the gene expression is like the beautiful painting that is created when those genes are turned on and off.
Also shedding light on all the limelight that always the DNA gets it, right? As an analogy to the bee family, where you have this
Mm.
queen bee who's there, and then there are the worker bees that are there, and the queen bee gets all the credit.